Hello everyone, my name is Richard and today I decided to go camping in the desert alone in my old Volkswagen. Okay, I'm going the wrong way. Oh, scraping, man, you hear it? Woo, mama. Just noticed I lost a beauty room. Welcome to Old Bug Adventures. That's not where we're going. We're going just a little bit further down the road. Alright, we're gonna go see if we can find a place to camp. Camp. There's like a fire ring right there. We're gonna go a little bit further in. So the last time we came out here, I saw some spot up here where some people had it. However, oh, scraping, man, you hear it? Up there, look. Looks like fun. Looks like fun. Look. Looks like fun. Looks like fun. It does. It looks like fun. Seen a spot over here the last time I was out here. Huh. We almost got stuck right there. Good thing we didn't. Go, 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 go. Yeah, we're out of it. We're out of it. Alright, we're back on solid ground. Car's doing good. It's just getting hot out here in the dirt, but it's about a 3-hour drive to get here from Huntington Beach. Going slow. We made it. It's pretty warm out here, so we're gonna come here in the shade. The sun is just beyond that. Let me see if I can back up a little. Oh, you get it? Oh, no, look at that, blind you. So, I think we're gonna make camp right here in this little shady spot. Car should be good right there for the night. Let it rest. Dusty trail. Only one thing can cure that. Sarsaparilla. We're going to Calico Ghost Town tomorrow. Calico! I'll get some sarsaparilla. I need some sarsaparilla, man. Gotta wait till town opens up tomorrow. Alright, so we got camp all set up. Now let's take a look and see where we are. Here's the camp. That's the way we came in. And the ravine, it continues on around, up around there. I don't know where. I might go for a walk later. It's pretty hot out here, pretty warm. I'm pretty tired. I didn't sleep good last night, I tell you. We made a fire ring. Got a little fire pit. We get the fire going later when it gets darker. Making some fajitas. Cooking dinner. Just got here, already cooking dinner. Okay, I forgot to bring my seat, so I'm just gonna sit here. Ain't she a beauty? 1965 Volkswagen Classic. You don't need big tires. Got these tires. Okay, these tires. I put them on last week. I really needed some tires. Mine were ready to just blow apart. These are 175/60 R15. Real low profile. Not what I wanted. I didn't want low profiles on the back. Front 175/60 R14s. But I don't know, man. I made it out here. It's a good old car. Gotta put our lights back on. You probably can't see them, but there's a hawk flying around looking for its dinner. All right, let's get the fire started. Got a rock on fire. Woo, mama. Isn't that a nice fire? Yeah, it can be pretty fun out here. However, you can get stuck. Okay, I'm going the wrong way. Playing with the camera. Oh my god. Oh god, yeah, I'm getting stuck. That was kind of fun. Let's try that one next. No, I'm only kidding. So beautiful here. Free camping. Like in the Cars movie. So we made it to Calico Ghost Town. All right, we just came in through the gate. I don't see no one else here. No one else in the parking lot. We must be the first ones. Yeah. Park right here. We're gonna park right here. So we parked back there because we're the first ones here. And tonight, when it's closed, we'll be the first ones out. First one here. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! I made it. Closed. It's closed. What do you mean it's closed? How do you close a ghost town and drive 3 hours to get here and you closed? Well, back in the 1970s when I was a child, we used to come here in the early 80s this was the entrance to Calico. You would park right here. You could either pay a few dollars to take the tram, which was a fun attraction, or you could take the stairs for free. Some old mining equipment around here. A lot of it was authentic. A lot of it was built as an attraction. This is supposed to represent ore cars coming out of a mine and being taken up to processing up there. But this was a tram ride that took you up into the streets of Calico. Here's another view. You can see the ore cars up there that you would actually ride in. Here we see the bottom of an ore car. So they run on like skateboard wheels. Like skateboard wheels or something on these rails. See here the cable. The cable would come in, go around the pulley. Here it comes out, and that would just pull you up. Or allow gravity to pull you down. Some more cables down here. I don't see no safety brake. I bet that's a danger. Well, let's go up there and take a look. I think the stairs may still be accessible. Hey, look right there. Another closed off mine. Oh, the old stairs. I remember these. When I was in Scouts, it was my older half brother and I. And a single mother did the best she could to put food on the table and get us through the Scouts, which was expensive. So we would walk up the stairs while some of our friends in the troops with dads, they could afford to ride the train. Oh man, the stairs are dangerous. The stairs are made out of rocks. Oh my god, what a climb. I should have paid a couple dollars to take the tram. Too old for this. Calico. Alright. Hey, fire hall. Here we are, Calico. Oh, I'm all out of breath. Calico lives again. 1881. Town hall. Awesome. All right. Candle shop. You used to be able to dip candles in the hot wax right here, but people would dip their fingers in there and complain it was hot. It was hot melted wax. Do not enter. Danger. Dangerous mine. Well, yeah. That mine looks dangerous. R&D, fossils and minerals. R&D, rocks and fossils. R-D, rocks, fossils. Fossils do not start with letter D. It should be R and F for rocks and fossils. They would put the, I guess, the prisoners in there, in that wagon, and take them across the desert to the next town or wherever the judge was. Oh, Wiley Cody must have left us here. No spitting, no drunkenness, no loose women. I think it's Sarsaparilla. Used to be a skeleton in the piano right there. Oh, I got me my sarsaparilla. Some things are worth a 3-hour drive, and this is one of them. This camera holder's no good. Anyways, it's a lot of fun out here. You really just have some fun if you have the right car to do it in. And nothing wrong with this car. This car can do it. However, I got to drive this car home, and I got to drive this car to work. It's my only car. I just like to have some fun. Just because it's a classic does not mean it has to sit in the garage or stay on the trailer and be towed around. Back on the street. Back on the road again. Going west and out. Seeing things on my life. Calico. Oh man, stairs are dangerous. Dude, it fell again.